I couldn't. Oh no. Hey guys, so my nose ring fell out a couple days ago. Disregard my nails. It fell out a couple days ago, and I didn't realize it. And I woke up one day and I was just trying to twist my little nose ring. I had in a hoop earring, and I was trying to twist it like I normally do, and it wasn't there. So then I hurried up and tried to put in another one, and it was closed. So I quickly went to Amazon and ordered 2 new kits. It came 2 in a pack. They were like $7.99. And yeah, I'm going to do both because I wanted both done. But I thought I was letting this side heal until I did this side. But now I'm going to do them both at the same time. So let's get into this. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the packets and clean the earring off before I put it in my nose. But here's a better, see if I can get it to clear. Why does that look like, okay, I don't know why it looks like that, but you see the little tip. It's a piercing earring. It's just a little stud. And yeah, you press down, but you press down this way because I don't want it to be backwards, but you do it like that. And then you click it. Oh my gosh, I just got nervous. Okay, I did it the first time. It didn't hurt for real, but it did kind of sting. But I did it the first time, and I'm going to do it. So the kit comes with 2 alcohol pads, 1 for each piercing. Y'all, I just got nervous. Like, I am nervous for real, for real. But I'm not going to act a fool like I did the last time. I'm just going to do it, but I don't know if I'm going to end up getting both nostrils done today, you know? You know, I should, but I don't know. I'm nervous, and I shouldn't be, but I am. I wish my nose didn't close up and I would just be doing one, but now I want them both done. Y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all something else. Like, wow, I'm gonna tell y'all something else. Hold on. First of all, Happy New Year. Y'all, so let me tell y'all a little story first. I had COVID. How? I was washing my hands. I'm super clean when it comes to, you know, germs and stuff. I'm super clean, and I don't know how I got it. I had COVID in December, and like, it wasn't bad, but you know, mentally it messed with you. Like, oh my gosh, all these people are dying. And, you know, it's like, but I thank God that me and my son actually ended up having it, testing positive for it. And it was very mild for me, but I was very, very tired. My son is asymptomatic. He did not show any symptoms at all, thank God. But me, I had a little bit of shortness of breath, just a small bit, but I have asthma, so it's like, you know, and I was extra tired. Like, for me, COVID was pregnancy. Like, I felt more so pregnant than anything because I was craving certain foods, but I wasn't hungry. But I was craving foods that I don't eat. And I was very, very tired, fatigue and everything. So, yeah, it didn't really take a toll over my body. Thank you, Jesus. But, yeah, I had it. But anywho, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm going to first re-pierce the right side. I got to make sure I'm getting it into the hole. But see, this one seems a little different. I want to click it a little bit. Oh, why? How did I do it the last time? Did I push it? It's not in. Ouch. Let me go find a hole because I don't want a double hole over here. Let me make sure. I think that's the hole, I guess. But let me go find it. Okay, so I got it into place. I'm scared. 1, 2, 3. It's not going. It's back in there. Oh my God. That hurt. I think I put it too far back. That hurt. But it's cute. Ouch! That hurt. Like, I think it was like, whew. This one, oh. Who is back in? Let me clean it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I need to do the other one yet. So, last time it did not bleed for real a lot, but this time it did. I mean, it didn't bleed a lot, but it bled some due to the fact that it was not completely healed. So basically I just opened, like it did not feel like this when I first did it. So I wonder if this side is going to feel like that when I do it. I have to make sure I keep up this one, keep it clean. I'm gonna keep this nose ring in for a while because the last time I took the nose ring out too early and ended up getting a small keloid that went down, thank God. So yeah, I just gotta make sure it stay clean. I don't know if I want to feel this pain on both sides, you know, or do I just want to get it? I mean, it didn't hurt. I guess I'll prep, you know, and keep rubbing and pinching on it so it doesn't hurt so much when you know, when the earring goes through. And I keep putting alcohol and peroxide on there so it doesn't hurt. But this side it didn't hurt, but it hurt. It was a different type of hurt. Like the first time it was like, it was a sting, but this time it was like, ouch. Like it was like on my gristle. Like it felt like, it was like, you know, the hard part back here. That's what it felt like it was on. And I'm like, yo, should I keep going? But I did. And it's in the same spot. It just, I guess because it closed up, it made it worse, you know? And then also it was like, it seemed like a keloid was trying to come on in. So I guess it is good that I did get that together because, it still kind of stings. But I'm going to do the other one still. I'm going to do it. I'm about to do it right now. Or am I? I don't know because I'm nervous about this other side. Because what if it hurt? Like worse. But then what if it don't hurt? Just do it because I want it done. Okay, I think I'm ready for this side. Just do it. Oh my gosh, it hurt. Just do it. No, it hurt. It really hurt. Just do it. It hurt. Oh God. I couldn't do it. Oh no, I should have just did it. Oh no. Okay, let's get it. Ready, set, go. It's cute. Oh, gosh. I did it. cute. Cute. Yay, I did it. This one didn't hurt as much, so maybe it's because, yeah, I got 2 nose rings. Ooh, I got 2 nose rings. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.